All right, so we got this thing, it's not final installed, but it's mocked up here. I figure I'd do this one on like tolerances, clearances, what you're working with. That's that Viper V2. It fits and there's no extra room. Like that. Let's see if I get the, I mean, she fits, that's all you need in life, right? Just to fit. I had to use the jack to get the alignment. It was a little, need a little persuasion, not bad. The main one I had a problem was over here, but I got it. I think it's just, you know, Honda Talon's a handmade thing and a bumper's a handmade thing, so. This actually touches here, but it's not bad. I think everything's gonna work out. I'll try to get a light here so you can see. And this is not a Bosman bumper thing. Well, kind of, it's the mount, but I think the Talon's longer, or not the Talon, the winch is longer on this side. It's all in there. You got access to your posts. I didn't do the wires yet, so that shouldn't be too impossible. The clip's all clipped in. Everything's gonna pop back in the way it's supposed to. Let's check out these tolerances. I first put it on there, I was like, oh man, this thing's crooked as shit. Well, I didn't have the bolts in. But that's what we're talking here, like. It's pretty impressive. I mean, if you've never welded, you have to appreciate how hard it is to keep stuff exactly where you want it to be. I mean, it's not impossible, it's just metal expands and contracts. So like, I mean, if I had tolerances and consistent gaps on my automobiles, like on my F-150, I'd be happy. Like this tight, or this consistent, I should say, consistent. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Try to get all the angles for people. I'll probably do one more video when this thing's all finished up here. Actually, I'll probably do a bunch more videos, but I don't really do the whole, this is how I'm doing it as I'm doing it, because that's not my gig. But I did notice these. So we got these holes up here. And I'm just wondering, like, would an LED light bar go right there perfect? Like, what do we think about that? Let's see. I might have it in a drawer here. Hold on. Let me check the old drawer of plenty. I just happen to have that. Like that's, I feel like that might be able to be mounted there. Like, how does that look? Is that approved or disapproved? I don't know. Or maybe, could you go under? Would that be disapproved? I mean, I don't know about blocking the air to the, how much? Oh, the other thing that I thought I would point out to the world, you cannot get the grill out. At least I haven't figured out how to get the grill out, which is, you could pop it loose, but I can't get it to come out. I mean, whatever. That was another one of those things I was trying to figure out on the old interwebs, is like, is that a thing that can be done? Let me see if I can lower this tripod. We'll go on this adventure together. Let's put it over here. Sorry, this is kind of a shaky video. My dealer didn't even know these came out. So like, there's a little, the idea is so you can really get in and wash your rad out, but like, that's not coming out, kids. There's no way. Even if you come at an angle. So that's something to consider. I mean, it's not a deal breaker or anything, but it's just like, I mean, I guess if you're really in mud deep and you bought a Talon because you like the feature of that coming out, that's just, now you know. I mean, it's got plenty of big holes to get a hose in there, and you can get it down, you can get a hose in, and you can still get in there if you need to. I guess if you break your little piece of plastic here, you gotta take 1, 2, 3, you gotta take 6 bolts out and remove your bumper, I guess. It was actually easier than I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. Oh, I got a little rub from install on it. Oh, brutal. It's not too bad. I mean, it's a bumper. Does it even show up? A little rub there. I thought I put a pad down though, but maybe I had some junk on my pad. Anyway, doesn't matter. So that's what it looks like. for now. Got some more stuff coming. Some more surprises. Whatever. I still gotta do the wiring and all that shit, get that figured out, but... Oops, god damn, I'm kicking shit. Sorry about that. It's just anytime you have something like kind of complicated, it's nice to make sure it fits. So like, I don't know if Ryan's ever gonna watch this video or not. He may. I mean, shout out, man. Like, I'm impressed. That's impressive. It looks great. I mean, that thing looks so mean. Sorry, I don't have very much room here to get like side shots and stuff. I mean, how do I describe that? It looks the way that they should all look. Like, I feel like every Talon should look like that, right? Like, that's how they should come from the factory, with like a cool bumper like that. Sorry. Whatever. Getting close to its final form. I mean, you probably guess a couple other things that are going to happen to this thing, but... Yep. Okay. Stay safe.